Now back to more Sam's Garage.
Sam helps upgrade the ball joints in a friend's Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep has been off-roading a few times, and the factory ball joints need to be replaced. Mevotech has the solution. With their patented technology, the new ball joints will ensure this Jeep stays out on the trails.
I am so proud of Jay. When I had this Jeep, all I did was crawl around malls with it. But after I sold it to Jay, it looks like he's actually gone off-road. Not only has he put miles on it, but he's gone off-road. And what did he do? He damaged the factory Wrangler ball joints. These things are notorious for having weak ball joints. Actually, a lot of people, if they know they're going to be doing heavy off-roading or they're going to be adding suspensions to their Jeep, they're going to go ahead and replace their ball joints, even if the Jeep has no miles on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Mevotech ball joints. With their patented technology, they far exceed any other ball joint out there for the Wranglers. Now, what I'm going to use is going to be a ball joint installation tool. Now, you can get these tools at your local hardware store. They rent them to you. You will have to purchase it, but when you bring it back with no damage, they're just going to give you your money back. This makes life a whole lot easier. Mevotech's front upper ball joints internal features have a snap-in bearing technology. This is a patented technology that Mevotech came up with. The Mevotech's patented solution design allows for continuous and exact pin realignment through the pivoting motion, preventing binding or memory steer. This is a telescoping ball joint. Ball stud will articulate up and down and side to side. This is normal operation. The final position will be set after installation. Ball stud and housing are coated with exclusive Repel-TEK formulation for tough anti-corrosion protection. The lower ball joint is equipped with a flush style grease fitting. The TTX front lower ball joint is ultra strong and longer lasting due to the patented dynamic control bearing. An innovative recess is incorporated into the self-lubricating centered metal bearing as a secure base for the spring disc to be precisely placed. TTX Integrity Boot uses multi-lip profile to keep contaminants out. Dust Boot is integrated to assembly, improving strength and durability. Included in the box is an installation adapter which makes pressing the ball joint into the knuckle very simple. It features a grade 12 coated nut with a pre-applied thread locking compound. Also equipped with an easy snap cotter pin for easy install. Simply slide it in and click. Reinstalling the hub. Be very sure, walk it back in. There's going to be 3 bolts that hold it in place, so you want to make sure that when you're putting these 3 bolts in, that you don't bind the hub by tightening one of them and then going back and trying to tighten the other 2. There's a snap ring inside the differential that's going to lock the axle in place. You're going to have to use some force. First, you want to make sure that axle is so long that it's going to want to fall on you. So get something to pry it up and keep it straight. Put it in the spline of the yoke of the differential first. Turn it, making sure your drive shaft moves. Then you know you're at least lined up with the splines. Take your nut, put it at the end of your axle, put it flush with the axle. Then you can take your hammer and use that, very lightly tapping on it and getting the snap ring locked up, and you won't damage the threads, you won't damage the end of your axle, and you can reuse everything just like I am right now. Now don't forget to torque down those wheels, especially when you're dealing with something that heavy, 125 foot-pounds minimum. Now that installation ring made this job so much better. Ball joints aren't the easiest thing to replace, but with the installation ring, the damage from the tool stays on this and doesn't transfer over to the joint, making installation awesome. Now, Mevotech is known for solving problems on suspension components. As you can see, the ball joints on this 40,000-mile Jeep Wrangler, the top one was completely stiff, the bottom one was completely loose. The new ones from Mevotech are going to solve those problems, and they're going to last a long time as well. Now, they've also got solutions for, like, let's say your Dodge Caravan. So if you guys got problems and you want to nip it in the bud, make sure to check out Mevotech.